All right, it's been a warm day here in Marquette. Right now we're at 68 degrees, cloudy skies with those winds coming out of the west at 18 miles per hour. The humidity's a bit down, but those numbers are going to creep with that muggy factor and that ick factor rising ahead of a cold front. Right now temperatures throughout the Upper Peninsula are 73 in Marquette. And as we push throughout the west, temperatures are a little bit cooler into the 60s, 66 in Ironwood thanks to all that rain starting to push into the state. But the rest of the state is overall very warm into those mid-70s. And further towards the east, you can see 69 in Munising and 73 in Sault Ste. Marie. As we look at those current winds, they're blowing out of the southwest in Ironwood at 10, and overall still blustery day between 10 to 20 miles per hour, 15 in Marquette and 14 in Munising. These southwesterly winds are going to help ahead of the cold front bring that muggy and sticky air that's going to help fuel some showers and even some thunderstorms going into our Wednesday and even into our Thursday. Satellite radar shows a couple of showers now starting to develop into parts of Minnesota and into Wisconsin. That's starting to enter the UP of Michigan. That's all barreling its way towards Marquette. So the clouds are going to begin to thicken as we go into the nighttime hours and into tomorrow morning. The rest of the lower peninsula right now still seeing great conditions, but that cookie is finally beginning to crumble as we get closer to tomorrow. As we take a closer look of the Upper Peninsula, those clouds continue to move further towards the east, indicating changes to come. For today, very hot air in the Central Plains, temperatures climbing into the 90s. The cooler air is now into Canada, and that's going to eventually push our way thanks to high pressure now situated in Michigan. By tomorrow, that same high pressure is now into New York State. Drier air moving into New York City. For us, showers and storms, some of them could be severe, so have that NOAA weather radio next to you while warm air continues to push into the Ohio Valley ahead of it. For our FUTURECAST, those clouds continue to thicken as we go into tonight and into tomorrow. The rain finally comes in into the morning hours, so just remember to have that umbrella with you and even that poncho. But the worst of the weather will be sometime tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Accumulations could get up to 2 to 3 inches. So just remember, turn around, don't drown, and give yourself some extra minutes driving if you are going to work and school going into tomorrow night and into Thursday. As we look at tonight, 54 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and it's a warm one, especially with those winds coming out of the west at 5 miles per hour. As we look a closer look on your Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies, a bit cooler than it's been the last couple of days, so say goodbye to those 70s, especially with those winds coming out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to be in those 60s, 69 in Crystal Falls, and even 66 in Marquette. So overall, cooler day, but those temperatures are going to take a big nosedive as we go into the weekend. As you can see on the 7-day, Thursday and into Friday, we finally fall below seasonable values, especially with Thursday being the first day of autumn. Morning lows will also go into the 40s, and that cooler trend will continue going into the weekend, but the sun will finally break through on Saturday, and better times are ahead as we start into the middle of next week.